Kublai pi baro shaka tup khubor jungi ke donbosco media network. Mat ki ba kongsan mentara sngi kilong. Kentaj uba rising star marwen ya kajing keno pendik ke MCTODA. Ai jihikai ke IMD ya kinong thok khubor. Pli Menteri Rangba ya ka Nong Kharai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Sopeng. Ban Baik Sarkar Meghalaya nyopu kendai pon san klur tengka ban sil tulop ke GHATC. Bat mentang ini apai shiki khubor ki bakam dia. Shisngi hadien ke jing syak keno bakadon ke jing pentut di kinong nya trok hathan ranikor hau nong yalam ke hito southern border area. Da kinong yalam jo ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA kabalami hanen ke sngi Naga jingelang juga association ubalakam bahaka por bekinong nya trok kidang kit yaki kok banyat lengba karanikor keladon ke jingsha pendik ki driver trok hau nong yalam bat ki dekot kahitu. Kani ke jingkeno kala penlong ya unong yalam joka hitu southern border area hakasngi khat santarik Risaw arhajar arpusan ban wan pensyai lengba kilat patai Khubor. Haba uloong Baka jingkeno jong uba Moslender Marngar, Presiden jong kinong nya trok kamlong kabashisha. Uloong ru ba karkum kekerteng balajer da uba Moslender hakilar patai Khubor kamdei satia. Namar kekerteng jong u kadei Rising Star Marwen uba bat kum u General Secretary jong kahito Southern Border Area. Uba Rising Star uloong hakamit katlai tarik Risaw, kaseng kalabat hadu prapau teli ki trok, kadaw bakibat kadai namar ka jingkit overload, kabalabu jingma ya ki jingking ki padon hakite ki tan. Hendrei uloong ka jingkeno dawa pisa kam dei ka bashisha, bat ka jingsha berngem bersidru kamlong ka bashisha. Hendrei uloong ka jingakren bitar kalami Tanghajan Police Station.
Ini ki trok Khuborjylla te nagliang ni yaki driver na kerpan te kerpan rugi woi driver ba semua ba ban yasakan nanta tangta simit bangin ban pi nomor bangi apa yang keren sua bagi try ko bat ka sun jumpi ban penbai lam kalau kanika jengki Khuborjylla jongki truk kepala bu jima sebab plat yaki batba di nomor wan tang iki batba de lalu dicekin Angti poran ko ki bonba ki jingking ding. Ki jingking baret ki jingking ki don ki jingking ki ba umlas mla suira ban ki balu tan plat ka kasan ton ko. Ne kini trok ajisa kita ki jingking ki kanisa ki jingking ki dei tan khnai ton ka maksimum de ka jingking. Ne kini trok ki lakit plat ka kasan ka ton jong. Te agate gasni nagliang juni ka itu kamtam yang ke bau mos lah untuk te ngapun saya ba hati kasih kadon ka menem start nang ngakau ba ngala penghap ngala paket mau teng di woi ba jong driver paket ku nang ni Shillong seporan ko te hati kasih ba te wan don woi ba ba no ngapa yang kan mau ya nggak mau su ngapa kit ba atu po ba paket mau ibi oh to beli na ba beli ba no em ni apa ni pembesua berkasion berkin kita ikut te hadin pada te kidon kanu kapingot ki lewa ki omba ki ini setengah di dukan don indon ba mi imio te no wat slide ka bang ngam ni la biasa kami ngam kapangan piang hati si wat kau sunburning orang upan udai umpiang alu diki om kami subang le kelumar ni le ngina kumpiang ro no ingkeng ba makir ki dinong la prangsi mata dia tahu le ngin semua le ben indon kanu kata ka keren ju pamos ba ngila dawa bisa ane ngila timsang la ngila keren pendom pen sme dikiru kamdon kumata ndrei kalomba hadin bagi labat dari kenalin kalian ke asion kimsem masap kimsem la kenalian ke gikuk tu kimsem masap te aga kalai trik te hadin katsau trik tinggi batnya kila guru IKF ya kumba kidon kitrok kiba sakla te gemen bang kata ini ba kila di bang ni buat dulu. Jadi kita sila dengan siapa punya apa jika bagian jika ketika lagi lah. Jadi apa angka kata semua dari sajan harus sampai itu. Jadi kadai highway lah, jadi kadai katulin sebab tulin nama kamu safe mereka kabam kadi kabiang kita lebat jadi barang tak jadi don kita akan kadai kumba sau supply kita kita buat kita penher setiap adin pada nilai part yang seporan ko kita nilai ragu sa tengah berangtan nilai bu sebenarnya dia kumba sau supply ki trok ki don nanti kesu te nakliang cumi te ngindon nila percaya kadang kali record bangsa IoT macam pasal kita record dengan iPhone pada boleh berapa te nakliang cumi ngindon ni ban penpai dan ini dari tangkawai ba kemau ba nimos ngala the top 10 you hagapor harus nem ajar kenai hagapor ba dari dukot juga kisu apo ki thain wasaling do stay tapor bayaki kami uryam hani por uni ubriu dei wai ubriu no pensiat udei dukot barim kata kam doni na lagi
dibalik pada ki keno no mai teki sing balang atau sing balang datang ke sing dengki kemudian mentang ta bapak itu trok na kono
ya kata
Bantip Kambania hakarukom thok Khubor kabayadei berka Jinglong Jingman jang kasun beneng haka Jylla Meghalaya bat kari India hi barok away. Lengba ki press release balapha daka IMD Indian Meteorological Department IMD Shillong haka khatsan tarik Risaw ka IMD kala penlong ka jing ai jing hikai bashisngi ya kinong tre ka Indian Meteorological Department Shillong bat kinong thok Khubor ha office ka badon halaimer apa Shillong. Nakaliang director jangka IMD Thang Jalal Luvung lembat uwe officer jangka nega department ba revert paryong kila batai sya ya ka Jinglong Jingman ka Mariang bat sun beneng hakanu kapor kandum ka sun beneng hakanu ka rukom ka sun beneng ka san slap bat kinu ki ayom bajur ne baduna haka jinghap slap kini ki officer kila hikai bat batai ru ikinong thok Khubor kumno kin thok Khubor saphang ki jingkala jaga Mariang bat kasun beneng haki ayom ba pher bat haki arpusaw kenta ha ka shisi kani ka jingam mir jingmut kalalong shisha ka pasaiso na mar kinong thok Khubor kila yo jingtep ki jingkala ka Mariang na ka jingshit jingkriat jang ka haw bat ka slap perthei ki bayai jia man kasngi.
Okay, this is the warning. This is again in letters. This is the warning. This warning we are issuing only if there is impending weather to occur. Then we are issuing this warning. So in this warning also there are some color code. If no warning, that means no rainfall, no thunderstorm, no weather activity, then it is green, all green. Then if some activity is there, some rainfall, some thunderstorm, some wind, then this yellow one, just we are giving in another language, just be aware this yellow. So if it is red, then there might be severe weather, say heavy rainfall, and then maybe a high wind, like that. If it appears in red color, then definitely there will be some activity, some rainfall, some weather activity in some districts, so this red color will appear. So this is the graphical representation of this warning. Again, same thing here. Just we look at the graph, then we can understand any warning. If there is any weather activity, then some district may appear yellow, some district may appear red, like that. Same thing. Okay, SARS, he mentioned sometime back about different scales of forecast. So this temporal and spatial. Temporal, it means with respect to time, and spatial with respect to space. This temporal we are issuing with respect to time, how long it will occur, like that. But the space, how wide the area it occurs, like that. Okay, some temporal scale, suppose nowcast impending change of weather, we are issuing up to 3 hours. That one which you are getting every 3 hours if there are some change in the weather due to local activity, cloud is developing, thunderstorm, and then thunder shower. So we issue this nowcast. This is valid up to 3 hours. Again, after 3 hours, if again, according to our observation, likely to be there some weather activity, again we issue again nowcast that is valid for 3 hours. So you may get sometime 3, 4 like that weather press release from our side. Droughts, flood is flash floods only, and then cyclones, heavy rain, heat wave, cold wave, hailstorm, thunderstorm, storm, fog. These are some weather activities that we used to get. But in our place, not all this will be there, but some. This is given generally, but in our state, only some. For example, dust storm may not be here, it may be there in Rajasthan. And then heat wave, cold wave, it may not be in our state, it may be in some other areas like that. But these cyclones, so sometimes this cyclone, in some newspaper, if there is heavy wind speed, high wind speed, maybe it has affected, it has uprooted trees, it has uprooted even some thatched houses also. Then some media they report that cyclone has created havoc in some part of the areas like that. But generally it may not be cyclonal waves. It may be a storm with high wind speed due to local activity, due to low pressure. It may be like that.
Menteri Rangba Konrad K Sangma haka khatsan tarik Risaw ula play padba ya ka ying school joga Nong Harai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School hasnong soping. Menteri Rangba ula long ukongsan haka jingelang play padba ya ka ne ka ying school bathamai balasenran da menteri ki kam Civil Supplies and Consumers Affairs ba Methodist Dekar haka jingdan lang ki officer ki Rangba shnong ki kmi ki kpa ki nong penyat ya ka ne ka school ki nong hikai bat ki khna na ki shnong ba marjan. Haka jingkran haka ne ka sngi Menteri Rangba ulayathu hakini ki nyaus namtam ka Jylla Meghalaya kalakiu irat haka yo kakot bat kalabut ringki ya ka Jylla Tamil Nadu hakikam penroy. Ula ongru ka sorkar Meghalaya haka jingelam jong kala sei borba ka baiseng baidang ban kentiu ya ka yo kakot ban penslur ya ki padba ban yeng halaki jong ki jat da ka baseng ya laki kam ki jam hasnong hathau. Ula ongru ka sorkar kala ai ki jingkershan ki babiang nagabenta ki Samla puli bat ki khna school khnang bakalawe jongki kanlong ka bapernai. Ka sorkar kala mang hadu lai hajar hanrius pa sanpusau klur tengka tang nagabenta ka puli puthi bat ki jingdon kam jongki khna school bat ki nong hikai. Ula penpau ka jingkermen bakini ki jingle jong ka sorkar ki sa sei ki so bathiang hakashipau ar posnam banwan. Ula kentui ya ki kemi ki kpa ki long kni ki nong hikai ban pendut por bat la ki khon ki kti ki khna school bat ki Samla puli da ka baai ki jing hikai bakin la ban yeng hala ki jong ki jat bat kinri kendong yela ka akor ka buram. Menteri Rangba ula bei pisaru na ka bentakan ni ka school bakan the de ki tiar put tiar tem ban penroy ya ka jing nang jing tip ka put ka tem karwai ka siau bat ka shat ka kemen ki ban penlong ya ki breu bapura ha ka liang ka jabing bat ka donut. Ula yaro ya kinong penya jong kanika school ya kinong hikai bat ya ki khna school ki badan ki khmat ki baphu samrkhe bat ki pasngur kador kadar ha kanika sngi. Uba Methodist Dekar ha ka jingkren ula penpau ka jing sngongu ya Menteri Rangba ubala long unong yalam uba pet ya ki jingdon kam jong ki pa ba habaro ka we ka Jylla. Reverend Pastor A. Nongbri, President School Managing Committee, ula pediang ngobhaya ki he ki han hakani kasngi katba Reverend S.B. Lingdo, Secretary School Managing Committee, ula batay ya kajinya linti jokani ka school hakisnem balala. Kiway pat kiri rangba kibadan lang hakani kajinya lang ki kentup ya Remington Gabil Momin, MLA Ramrajar Ngam, ba Lurshai Kharbani, MDC, kirang ba Shnong ki officer bat kilong kamilong kapa. Ki khna school kila penyap bed bat penjat thai ekipal ba da ki jingruai babang bat jingshat ba ithiang. Kasorkar Jylla haka cabinet meeting haka khatsan tarik Risaw kala rai ban be nyau pukhandai pon sanklur tengka naka bantaban siu tulop ikinong tre jaga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kum kabai seng ban pensting yaki jing e bakani ka council kaya kandu. Menteri Rangba Ulaong kani kapisa kalong bet tang nakabenta ban siu tulop yaki nong tre ki balaya ki menta la bun benai. Ki weipat ki jing keren kilong ban penskem kam yaki nurse ki bala tungkam kum ki ad hoc bat ki bala tre menta la bun snam. Menteri Rangba Ulakularu ban yakran berka Sorkar Assam ban wanra ya kajingshgan hakithan lapangap West Jante Hills knang bakipat ba kinla ban lum ban lang ya ukaba nakilengkha bat ki penthor jongki.
If it is the case, then definitely it's a matter of concern. And if it is so, let him come out with the details and the proof. And definitely, if there is any such problem that's happening, Government of Meghalaya will be the first one to act on it. I have made our position very clear that we are very firm that uranium mining should not take place. And there could be situations where some incidents could be there which may not have come to the notice of the government. So if there is, and if the evidence is there, and if information is there, then please give that to us and we'll be more than happy to act and take necessary action on it. I just want to also take this opportunity, I forgot to mention, that we have also cleared an amount of 79.5 crores to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council today, out of which about 11 crores is their dues, which is there right now with us, and the rest of the 68.5 crores is an advance we're giving towards their share of royalty from the future. And so 79.5 crores has been sanctioned and money has been released to the escrow account. As you all know, an escrow account is a fancy name, but it's an account which is, in a way meant to be very, very particular for the salary disbursement, and an account which will be obviously, as I said, monitored in a manner so that the funds are used only for the salary purpose. So this has been done, and with this amount, the district council now will be in a position to release the 12 months backlog for their employees. Kasara Ripingram, angan ismana diki uyatna skinga, the all government of Meghalaya, 79.5 crores tangkarangko tsga district council na sanction Garo Hills district council na tsga tangkarangko release ka jok. Aru account ya tangkarang council ni ketal ya escrow accounto napaha. Na isma sa continue ya escrow account district council ni account nokma. Ndi ba ya escrow account ara dengtang mancha salary ko disperse kana ya account ko chika kulia. Aru ya salary jin salo tangka peserang ya account napkin. Ya tangka peserang ko council ba official rang gapan kamrang na chakana manchawa. Unigaman escrow account ni true salary na muksonge dalo chinga tangkarang ko napataha aro yarang chi chinga jachi ginini backlog salary rang ko chinga district council ni employee rang na banggeja sal so many ki sepon chinga release ka ke
Badak itu ki Khubor nila poy siya bakut tarhadu bangin daya siyang biang kublay shibun.